Hi, I'm Corey, and welcome to the all-new NAPA Echlin Professional Education Series. Now, this new video series has been created specifically for industry professionals to help you both better understand your product choices and how to recommend the correct parts and services to your customers, and why recommending NAPA Echlin just makes sense. Now, let's begin with fuel injection. Now, we know that you have a lot of choices when it comes to selecting fuel injection components for your customers. Now, your choices could include low cost, remanufactured, parts from an OE brand or dealership, or even premium aftermarket components from a brand like NAPA Echlin. Low cost parts might seem like a good idea, and maybe you're comfortable using them on an older vehicle. But it is important that we always give our customers a choice. In fact, not offering a premium, correct replacement part is sort of the same thing as making decisions for our customers. So with that, let's talk a little more about low-cost fuel injectors. Now, first off, low-cost injectors are generally marketed as remanufactured. But since you really can't remanufacture a fuel injector, they're basically just old parts that have been cleaned and flushed. And in addition to that, the offerings generally don't have the matching related parts that you need for a complete service. Now, on the other hand, OE parts may seem like a better idea, but there are a couple of things you need to remember with OE parts, and one of them being the very best case scenario is that it's the exact same design and materials as the part that just failed. And since no manufacturer is original equipment on every vehicle, it is very possible that the part is simply sourced from another supplier and just packed in a box. And that's where we're different. We have our very own Engine Resource Center and manufacturing facility in Greenville, South Carolina. In fact, we're the only full-line aftermarket company manufacturing fuel injectors in the U.S. We develop, manufacture, and test fuel injection products in our vertically integrated ISO 9001 certified facility, and new products are extensively tested for dynamic and static flow rates, flow linearity, spray pattern, shock load, vibration, and thermal cycling. Additionally, we test our injectors on actual vehicles at our Vehicle Test Center in Texas. Each part is precision engineered to match OE designed flow and spray patterns, and we also re-engineer OE designs that you can give your customers for a longer lasting fuel injector. For example, many OE multi-port injectors are subject to contamination because of where the filter is on the injector. Our engineers relocated the injector filter to protect against contamination, creating a longer lasting injector. So whether your customer needs a replacement throttle body injector, multi-port injector, or gasoline direct injector, you can recommend these components with confidence, knowing that it has been designed, engineered, and tested to perform and last. We also have the related items you may need for a complete service, including fuel pressure sensors, fuel pressure regulators, GDI high pressure fuel pumps, fuel feed lines, fuel rails, seals, and service kits, and even GDI camshaft followers. Our latest product innovation is this all-new GDI high-pressure fuel pump kit. Now, this kit includes a GDI high-pressure pump, camshaft follower, gaskets, and new hardware to help you perform a complete GDI fuel pump service. So research and development, precision manufacturing, lab testing, on-vehicle validation, industry-leading coverage, and sales support. That's what's in our box. What's in yours?